I write so song. But same thing about me, I tell you no. I will tell you no. Because me not understand what galang. Me say, you know, say Halloween, right? So me tell me say, me must cast so sweetie go get some picking out of door. So, me say, me I go to the door, go get them. Ratty door. It's when me reach out the door, me hear the doorbell ring, so me go up in and go out there. So me go get somebody sweetie. When me go out there, me see some picking in a costume. And them mother out there, two little boy. So, me say, okay. Me go out there now. Me see one of the little boy a pine for me. I say, Mommy, look at teeth. Is that your costume? Me say, Kuya, who him attack with? Me say, oh, him attack with. He attack with me. I can't me attack. Because, you know me do? Since I didn't want to do it, me just call him one side and smile. I say, look here, come here, little boy. Come here. You see, when you go on, all more you do. When you go on, you when your mother turn up in a kitchen or somewhere, turn up in a house, you drop on your thighs on the ground, and bend down on the ground, and take your time, you see, and peep up. And you will see teeth under your mother frack. You damn bright. Under your frack, under your mother frack. And that's your teeth there. That's all. Damn bright. You could have go look at me and ask me in a costume. Me understand how them people nowadays, master. We can't understand. Can't understand no time. Damn bright. But say me if I'm a costume. See me good teeth. Hey, I tell you. That call me. The royal jazz. Father, me not tell you if you don't call me. Hello? Yeah, me not tell you if you don't call me. Me say, if me not tell you if you don't call me, what the back foot you call me phone for? No call me for no time. Because you're not good. You're not good. You tell me say you breed. Don't call me.
Just son. You can't take the cool joke.
We can't trust you.
You can't take the cool joke.
Joke. How that will be joke? You tell me say you breed and pick it. How that will be joke?
Me no pregnant, but me friend just show she licky.
You that damn stupid follow him. Damn country bunk on you.
I just show the little girl in no zone.
Little girl. The two no not even make one. The two no make one. Can't stand it.
I trick me did that trick you, but she make me scam you.
Scam? I would tell you we shall figure scam. Would I tell you we shall figure scam, but that's you not have none.
You know me love you, but me nah do them something there again in no zone. Kinda future, you me want to be me baby daddy. You me
so damn lie, me can't even trust you. You so damn lie, me can't even trust you.
Want we have a cute little baby and someone pretty together.
You mean what you say?
Yes, son.
You don't lie. You damn lie. I do you talk though. Cause we baby with that pretty. They say pretty couple makes pretty baby.
So make we put this behind we know?
No sir. Me no damn fool. Me no fool so.
No make one mistake mash up what we have going on so good and
all right,
strong.
Then. You know say me love you long time.
Yes, son.
There you go. Me talk to you tomorrow, cause so you go. Give me a chops. Kiss me.
Yes,
give me a chops.
Son. I love you too.
All right. Later. No. Me. No, sir. No right. Them, me not supposed to touch them together because me not understand them. All of a sudden, me you somebody up and you try rob me, know you try friend me back up. Intended. Me they say once bitten twice shy. Well me shy now. Can't know me. Can't trick me. But anyhow, you go to my grandpa page. Jamaican GrandpA speaks out. Jamaican GrandpA Speaks Out. And the YouTube page is Dan Paint. DON and then PENT, that are 2 words. Make sure you go there and subscribe to my page and watch enough more GrandpA. Cause me say viral. And I viral me say every time.
Me take a look in a me